So if you want to watch YouTube videos on your Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic, simply swipe up to the apps, and on the app screen you want to look for the Samsung Internet Browser. This comes pre-installed on your watch. If it's not, you can simply go to the Google Play Store and get it installed. So let me launch the Samsung Internet Browser. Now it's going to have bookmarks. So YouTube should be one of the bookmarks along with Google and probably Samsung. Okay. Now, in case you don't have YouTube as a bookmark, you can simply go to the search function and simply search for YouTube. So just type in YouTube there and search. And from the search results, you can tap on YouTube. Either way, it's going to open up YouTube. So that opens the YouTube interface, and you can search for any video using the search function. So for instance, let's search for our channel, Pro Education. Okay, now it's not the easiest keyboard to type on, but you should be able to type a few things. Luckily, we found our channel, and so you can now browse through or search, and you can play any video directly on the watch. Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to remove a forgotten pin. So you can adjust the volume using the slider. Now for this process, we're going to have to hard reset. And the watch itself has very good speakers, although you can connect the watch to a different device like Bluetooth headphones or a Bluetooth speaker just to get better audio. But that is basically how to play. Okay, you can pause, you can go to the next video, you can scroll, you can even search for new videos. If you just swipe like this, so you swipe to access the corners of that web page like this. Okay, so from here you can go and tap on the search function and search for stuff. So that is basically how to watch YouTube videos on your Galaxy Watch 8. Now, thanks for watching and good luck.